kanyang buhay. Halika, alamin natin ang iba't ibang uri ng agila sa buong mundo. Una dito ay ang black-chested snake eagle. Is a large African eagle, has a brown with yellow eyes and spotted white belly, brown barred and white wings. Pangalawa ay ang bald eagle, a sea eagle found in North America. It is rare eagle banned in the United States. In 1972 was declared endangered species. Pangatlo ay ang wedge-tailed eagle, a largest eagle in the continent of Australia. Feeds on live rabbits, mammals, lizards, foxes, and feral cats. Major food source ay ang dead and decaying animals. Kakain din sila nito. Pang-apat ay ang golden eagle, living in northern hemisphere, was named golden buff-colored feathers on the crown and nape of the neck. Pang-lima ay ang black hawk eagle, known as the tyrant hawk eagle, found in central Mexico, south of Brazil, Colombia, eastern Peru, and northern Argentina. Pang-anim ay ang brown snake eagle, fairly large species found in southern Africa. Ito ay ang martial eagle, a large native to sub-Saharan Africa. Hunt animals for food, enough power in one foot to break man's arm. Yung timbang niya is 14 pounds, 6.5 kilograms. Ito yung malakas tong martial eagle. Solitary eagle, ito ay solitary eagle, also known as black solitary eagle. Sa darkly white markings on the tail, measures 63 to 79 cm, has 152 to 188. Pang-walo ay ang greater spotted eagle, large migratory bird commonly known as booted eagle. Total length 59 to 74 cm. Males measures 155 to 177, 5 foot to 10 foot. Females measures 167 to 185 cm. Boneless eagle, medium size, dark wings and tail, found in forest and mountains. Speed 50 mph, but they can reach 200 mph when diving prey. Pag manghuli na, malakas. Mas lalong lumakas sila pag manghuli na ng pagkain. African fish eagle, found in sub-Saharan Africa, a milk white head and tail and chocolate brown. Synonymous in inland waters, lakes, rivers, and dams. At saka yung dito sa Philippines ay Philippine eagle, also known as monkey eating eagle.
Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Ingat.